Good afternoon, this is Power Hungry Performance. Today we're going to go over the Hydra chip, HydraHelp.com, and the HydraFlash software. We're going to go over everything you need to know in order to take tunes from HydraFlash and put them on your Hydra chip. When you get your chip, it will be blank and you'll be prompted to go to HydraHelp.com, so that's where we'll start. So we'll go to HydraHelp.com and it'll bring you to this web page. You'll be prompted then by these instructions to download HydraFlash, which is the software we're going to use to put tunes on the chip. Whenever you purchase a chip, HydraFlash is free. All of the canned stock tunes for us, for all the 7.3 tunes that we have, are free as well. So you'll download HydraFlash and it will come up. I've already downloaded it off screen, but it will come up in this window like this. You'll then take your chip. I'll plug my chip in now. I've got one here at my desk. You'll plug your chip in, it'll give you a little please wait, and then it's going to bring up this, which are your slots for tunes. The first thing you're going to want to do before you even get to here is you're going to need the box code off of your PCM. Some people call it a tear tag, some people call it a box code, but it's going to be a 4-digit code that's going to be on your PCM. PCMs for the 7.3s are in the firewall on the driver's side, right next to either the emergency brake or the clutch, depending on your transmission. And once you know your box code, go back to HydraFlash, go to the top menu, click Tools, then Box Hex Conversion, and here is where you will enter your box code via this drop down. I'm going to just grab a random one. I'll use ALF1. And then it's going to tell me over to the right which hex code corresponds to that. So, for example, ALF1 says please use VDAB0_02. You can screen grab this or write this down. This is going to be what you're going to use to find your tunes. So once you have this number, you close this window. Go over to, you can pick whichever slot you like. I'll start in the one slot and I'll go change. And over here on the left, that's going to be your hex code. So I'll scroll down until I find my V. All right, so here we go. So I've got my VDAB02. I'll grab a couple of these. I'll grab a 25 towing. Click change on the next one. Go down. VDAB02, and then we'll do a 65 daily driver, and then I'll grab an 80 performance, and you'll see they're all lettered as to what they are. So VDAB0_02, 25 tow, 65 daily driver, 80 performance. And you can fill up as many as you'd like. Once you get, or up to 15. And once you get the tunes that you want, come over here to the left, click program. You'll see a pop-up where it'll install the tunes on your chip. I'll fast forward through this. And that is it. So just to show you, so now these are on the chip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of this. I'll eject my chip. Then I'll launch HydraFlash again and replug in my chip. And all of my tunes should be there. And there they are, all the VDABs. We have other videos that show in detail how to clean the PCM and how to install the Hydra chip. And those can be found on YouTube, and those can be found on our Facebook as well. If there are any other questions on tunes or the Hydra or the HydraFlash software, please feel free to reach out.